Basic Fam, welcome back to another quick one, I think. Hopefully. Crossing the fingers. Got the boss. Got the other boss. Got the little boss. Fingers crossed. What are we doing today?
We are gonna finally
Take two. What are we doing today?
finally gonna have Troy's car up and running. We're just gonna re-bleed everything. Take off the master. We don't have a bench, so we're just gonna ground bleed it. I'll show you how to do that. You're supposed to do that with all master cylinders, brake and clutch to remove all the air. After that, go through the sleeve, bleed everything, bleed the lines, and it should be good.
Sweet. We're all learning today. Properly done, sir. Self-killer. And we made it. We're at Troy's place. Same shitty hill and same sketch ass car.
I don't know how we're gonna drop it. I'm scared.
He doesn't even know how he got it up either. Today we're gonna be taking out that.
Here's a 12.
We got Logan, hard at work as usual. If you end up the 30th again, I'm gonna trip. That wasn't a good bite.
Got taco, man.
Oh god. You guys are doing it all wrong, bro.
How to eat pizza 101 from Maui.
Oh.
Chicken wing battle. Let's go.
Wait, you gotta get this one.
Too late.
He's cut off. Oh, look at that lip work. Ah! This guy took a full bite. Cheat. Go, Logan. Ah! That's it. Go.
I'm good.
You gotta go till you gag. Finally up some things on the master cylinder.
I don't know if it's going in straight.
Fluids.
So he's gonna go press, hold. You open, close. He lets off. Press, hold. Open, close. Yeah. And it doesn't need to be that tight. They will snap very easy. So it doesn't need to be that tight.
Press 3 times and hold.
Holding.
Alright, close that. Alright, now keep messing with it and start seeing if you're getting some pedal feel. Hit a little bit, see if anything happens.
He's tangled weight.
Update. We've been defeated.
Always. Again, something with the lines and his clutch. Clutch is still on the ground, but
We need to remove the clutch dampener because it's a pain in the ass. But that's about it. So we ordered the new line and yeah, we just gotta wait for it.
we'll come back at this later.
Yeah, we'll get back to it in a week.
Now, onto my place. We're gonna try and work on the water pump and Logan short throw.
You opened it though.
Back at our second home. Oh, really? Buy me this.
Are you what?
Buy me that.
What tire?
All of it.
The whole rack. Made it to my place, working on this. Taking out the fan and gonna get to the water pump. Update on our progress. We found a strip nut on the fan and we're stripping it more. It's just one. I don't know what we're gonna do. Oh, just giving some ass shots.
Time for the plumber's crack now.
Look what we resorted to, man. That one went all the way down, too. Wow. First cylinder, fully.
See? Just gotta give it a little more oomph.
Shit.
We got some flatheads and some hammers. It's a pain in the ass, but you just gotta do it, right?
Conquered look. All of that bullshit.
Defeated yet again.
And wrong part this time, so yippee. We'll come back to this another day. Also, we're supposed to do this guy's short throw. It's kind of hard when he leaves it at home.
Oh, he left it at home?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Where did he go? Vanish again?
I think it's upstairs.
Hard work. Stay tuned. We got to come back to all of these. And Nicholas, if you guys seen the last vlog, we pulled out his SR. So he's rebuilding it. It should be able to handle how much?
600 horsepower, well more than 600, but they say 600 horsepower, 600 foot-pounds of torque. Manley rods, Y-scale pistons, race bearings, all that kind of stuff, so.
Yeah.
Very soon.
Oh, there this guy is again.
That's in the right mindset, sorry.
We're done already. What's up, guys? Me and Logan here.
Found a dangerous little thing on the ground.
And we are going to Home Depot to meet the rest of the crew.
Second time today, actually, for me.
Oh, you been to Home Depot already?
I had to buy blade, cut my bed up, and destroy it.
Should buy some razor blades for that Wolverine shit you got going on. We're at Home Depot. We're gonna meet the rest of the crew. Let's go get it. Brother Nick.
I had to borrow my cousin just for the last part of my supercharger. I mean, it's $5 more. $5 isn't that much.
$5 is a lot when you're building a 240.
$5 is a lot. When
Rivet gun. Check. Lunch.
Check. Lunch. Oh, we need lunch.
Brunch. Actually, Logan, we
I
need
kinda ate
brunch.
already.
Oh, fuck you. This is probably the worst part about going to Troy's. We all gotta come packed into one ride. Alright guys, we made it to the destination. Made it to Troy's house. Gonna be working on this 240. It's gonna be a 240 day again. And later we're gonna go to Logan's house to go work on his truck bed. We're gonna cut his Xrunner's bed up.
I'm gonna name socket, but it's by my bed because I sleep by it, so I know I always have one nearby. Here, bro.
Alright fellas, so today in Troy's car, we are ripping out his fenders, old fenders, putting on new ones that are in the back of the truck, the rear fenders, and we also have to pull out this clutch line. Troy's clutch is still stuck to the floor and we're trying to figure that out, so I think we got it today. So while taking out the fenders, Logan found a bunch of rust. Clutch lines are tight as hell, but we're getting there. Look at this, Nick.
That was nuts for a second. I was like,
Vlogging the vloggers, baby.
Yeah, so we just got this off. This is the whole clutch dampener system. So if you were to bleed it, you'd actually be bleeding through this valve and all that kind of stuff too. Anyway, this is just shitty. Don't do that. Don't keep this. Take this out.
No need.
Just, you can unbolt the bottom, unbolt that, and just yank it right out of the car. So that's what we did. Pull it through underneath the car, not the top. Don't pull it up and out.
Here's the new rear bumper.
what size? 17?
The front fenders. Origin. Rear fenders. Car's about to look different. 30 mil fenders all the way around.
Looks good.
Oh, it's not going to be bad. It needs to be painted.
This, yeah, these gotta be cleaned up a little over here.
Finally got Troy's clutch off the ground. So now he's just got to do a few more rivet bolts on his fenders and should be good to go.
I'm really liking this fitting though, you know? How this just slides so nice in there.
It's OEM.
OEM fit, bro, I swear. Put it like that, you're good, right?
So if you guys don't remember, Troy's house is on a terrible hill. So getting this thing off of the bricks and shit is going to be difficult. This is sketchy as shit.
Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, I'm afraid.
I'm working as fast as
Oh, my heart's racing. Oh, Jesus, that was quicker than I thought. Oh. Okay.
Wow.
That was scary.
Car was like 4 feet off the ground.
300 week clutch job.
Alright, so we ran out of time. We're gonna go rush to get to his place, do his truck bed. But Troy's car is all fixed up. It's got a few more bolts left and ready to go, ready to roll. Here we are at Logan's place. There's Logan's truck. Today we're gonna be cutting his fender flares underneath the bed by the diff. The diff is like literally, the bed is sitting on the diff basically. The bed is banging his axle, so we're gonna look underneath and see what needs to be shaved, because we're gonna drop the rear another inch. Make sure you guys check out the other vlogs up here in the corner. You guys can watch us drop this thing. Went from 3 blocks to 4-inch blocks to now 5-inch blocks. Custom spindle spacers, all of that. Look how big these blocks are.
I hope they get rid. I hate this. I hate this. I hope that gets rid of this, because I hate this. She's like, I hate that. Every time I see it,
The front is tucking. The front is good.
the back's sitting on the frame.
Yeah.
So I gotta notch it.
So we gotta do a little more shit, a lot more cutting, and then we can slam it. Everybody, let's just take the time to appreciate this rare moment on our channel of us using safety precautions. He's got his long sleeves, the gloves, the glasses, the extra shirt for his face. Oh boy.
Hey, is it fiberglass and plastic? It bites and stings.
Going under
For now.
to cut the bed. Oh no, we're taping off first.
Yeah,
Come
we
on
need
now.
all this. What am I doing?
Shit. So So I don't know if you guys can see, but all these little whatevers, that's what Logan's cutting because it's hitting his frame, his exhaust, his diff, all of that. This is what he's got so far. The next thing we're moving is this bracket. Got the bracket out. No idea what these brackets are for. Logan's back to cutting. Alright guys, this took us way longer than we expected. He still has a lot more cutting to do.
My battery keeps dying on me because it's an old battery.
I'm not even going to be able to make it to Nick's house for his engine breakdown, but I'll be there tomorrow. So make sure you go check out his channel. And his channel will probably have more 240 content. Ours is kind of just all over the place, but you know what it is. And this guy,
What guy?
has plans. What's your plans?
Oh, my truck's going to be sitting pretty for maybe 2-3 weeks till I get the TRD flash on it and dyno charge it. I mean dyno tune it. I forget the guy's name, but when we do it, you'll know the Instagram name.
Yep.
But we're hitting him up, trying to get this dyno, get a better tune on it. Because I noticed my gear ratio, my gear is a little not what it should be.
Yeah.
Especially my third gear. It needs a little more oomph.
He needs more boost.
Oomph. But yeah.
Oh yeah, if you don't know by now, check out the other video. He supercharged his truck.
Oh yeah, and I have a lot more planned. Gotta drop at least $6 grand more just on performance.
Oh.
I know, right? So a lot more content for you guys.
Yeah.
A lot less money for me though, but a lot more content for you.
On top of that, speaking of that, finally got the rest of my part that I need for my 240 to get it up and running. And then should be able to get on the road again with Troy because Troy's car is working. And Nick's car, just gotta do the rebuild. Should be good to go. So stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching. See you guys next time.